up everyone, welcome to Play Infinite, and today we got a lot of new news for you guys about the next Xbox, actually to be specific, the next two Xboxes, and as well as the next Kinect. And we also have Microsoft's latest statement on this matter, which they officially just like 2 minutes ago actually, they just revealed. So I'm gonna bring all that to you in this video. So now what I'm actually looking at right now is actually the reddit.com, and a user named MS Nerd or Microsoft Nerd has been leaking tons and tons of new info about Microsoft's plan for the future, and like all the way from Windows phones to Xboxes to Windows to like everything they're doing. This guy's been leaking it, and what I want to bring your attention to in this video is the next Xbox, like the title of this video. So a user asked a question to him, any solid details on the next Xbox? And MS Nerd, the guy, he says that his understanding is that the next Xbox will arrive in late 2013. But this isn't your regular Xbox. This is actually going to be completely different than your regular Xbox because it's not going to have a disk drive. And another weird thing about it, it's only going to run arcade games and basically online games. Like, it's not going to be hardcore, it's not going to be meant for hardcore games. It's going to be like a light platform, and that's exactly what it's called. It's called the Microsoft Xbox Lite. I believe it's called the Xbox 360 Lite, but anyways, it's Xbox Lite, whatever that is. And the thing is, this isn't a true successor to the Xbox 360. It's just like a variant of the Xbox 360, similar to like how PS3 does, like PS3 and then PS3 Slim. But this is completely different because they're removing the disk drive and they're making it so cheap. So here are the details. It's gonna be it's gonna run arcade style games. It's gonna have future media apps with Kinect, deep Kinect integration. Kinect is gonna be a huge part of this new Xbox, as well as something called Near Mode, and it will be ARM based. So it'll be ARM based. It's a platform, and it's gonna be priced really competitive with Apple's TV. I mean, with the Apple TV, if you know what I'm talking about, like that small $99 box, it's gonna be priced competitively to that. So my guess is that it's going to be between 100 to maybe 175, around that range, maybe 200. That's the price range for this new Xbox. It does not have a disk drive. The next thing is that he also talked about the Xbox Next, or some people might know it as the Xbox Loop. He also talked about this, and he said that this is a true successor to the Xbox 360. The Xbox Lite isn't a true successor. It's just a variant of the Xbox for like a cheaper model for like more casual gamers that want to play Kinect for really cheap. But he did say that details about this new the Xbox Next or Xbox Loop is very hazy. There's not much stuff that he can say about it, except the fact that it'll be for core audiences. It'll run games for core audiences. It'll have the same media apps as other devices, and it'll also have a deep integration with Kinect. He also says that now I'm going back and forth a bit. Now he also talks about Kinect. The next version of Kinect, the next generation of Kinect, will also receive a camera update for the first video camera. Oh, sorry, for the video camera first. So around 2015, he says that the Kinect will also release a generational update, or basically a cool word for next gen or next Kinect version 2. He says that it'll get better depth sensing, so it'll be a better depth camera, as well as a better processor, and it'll be more interconnected. So that's exactly, in quotes, I just like elaborated on a bit and said what he said. And then another user, after he replied to this, another user asked, I'm really late to the game here, but I want to see if you'll respond. You said earlier that the Loop is not the Next. And like I said, there's like two devices, so it's really confusing how Microsoft's going after this Loop and the next thing. There's two different devices. It's not the exact same thing. Is the 2013 device one and the later device the other? So then when a user asked that question, again, the Microsoft Nerd guy, he said yes. So that means what he's hinting at, or what he's leaking, is that maybe the Xbox Lite that I was talking about, it might end up being the Xbox Loop, or the Xbox Loop is a code name for Xbox Lite. And the Xbox Next is another version of Xbox, which is coming out after 2013. So around like 2014, 2015, way later. But anyways, it's the Xbox Next that you guys probably want to, and I mean, sorry, the Xbox Loop or Xbox Lite that you want to probably know about, because that's what's coming out in 2013. But anyways, a lot of news about the Xbox Next is also appreciated, because that guy, trust me, he leaked a lot of stuff. He also talks more stuff that he says is that Microsoft is working in a partnership with AMD, Imagination Technologies, as well as Samsung to create this new Xbox, or this Xbox Loop, which I'm talking about right now. So it's gonna be like this. Like I said, the Xbox Loop is catered toward more the casual, the cheaper, like to get more audience, right, to the Xbox family. And he also leaked that the main processor, it'll be like a main processor, and it'll have dedicated cores, like for example dedicated to graphics, AI, physics, sound, networking, encryption, and sensors. Like each core will be dedicated to one specific area, and it'll be custom designed, like I said, Microsoft and the two other partners. So Samsung is a huge partner that they're going to be working with, and again, like I said before, it's going to be based on the ARM architecture. It'll be a lot cheaper than the Xbox 360, and it will of course have Kinect built into it, deeply Kinect integration. And that's pretty much all he said. That's pretty much the bulk of it. But now I'm gonna go over Microsoft's statement on this matter. So Microsoft, this is exactly what Microsoft said once this Xbox Lite got leaked, which was like the Xbox Lite got leaked like an hour or two, I'm not sure, and then Microsoft released a statement like 5 minutes ago. So they said that Xbox 360 has found new ways to extend its life cycle, like introducing the world controller free experiences with Kinect, and reinventing the console with a new dashboard and new entertainment content partnerships. We are always thinking about what's next for our platform and how we continue to defy the life cycle convention. Beyond that, we do not comment on rumors or speculation. So there you have it. They're not denying it. They're not saying anything about it. Microsoft just keeping close about this matter. Well, you guys heard it first here on Play Infinite. So make sure to subscribe to Play Infinite. Give this video a quick thumbs up. It's really quick. As well as leave any comments or questions about anything related to Microsoft in the comment section, and I will get to replying to it for sure. And I guess that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to Play Infinite. So thank you for watching.